We guide you through how to make a PayPal account step by step. Start by opening your browser and going to official PayPal website, then clicking sign up and choosing whether you want a personal account for online shopping and sending money or business account for selling and receiving payments. After that, enter your email address, create a strong password, and confirm it. Next, fill in your basic details like your name, address, and the mobile number exactly as they appear on your valid ID. Then verify your phone number using the code PayPal sends you. Once done, log into your new account and link a payment method by adding your debit card, credit card, or bank account so you can send and receive money smoothly. Make sure to double check all details to avoid verification issues. And finally, confirm your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox to fully activate your PayPal account.